Okay, we are recording. Amazing, awesome. Clap करने का है क्या for the fuck of it? All right, it's time. The podcast is back and football is back. The Bundesliga is back. And
Who knew that the Germans would be so precise?
Yeah, and अभी honest कि मैं match देखते देखते सो गया because fucking Bundesliga है. किसको देखने का है?
Bro, Twitter पे किसी ने हम लोग को एक जोक भेजा है, ठीक है? बहुत funny है, saying that now that the Bundesliga is the only league playing and you all will do a podcast, you want to change the name to 4-3-2-1.
Nice.
बहुत
Anyway,
अच्छा
packaging इधर
आएगा. Oh, hello, welcome to 4 2. ये सब भी करना भूल गया हूँ.
4 2 3 1 is too complicated. 4 4 2.
Also in this one, Venkatesh Prasad is easy to do.
Very easy, yes.
This is what I'm happy about.
Yes. All right, so we have okay. So before we begin properly, we have a big announcement that we're making at the end of the podcast. So please stick around till the end, and we will make that announcement at the end because that's when I've said we will make it. So now
and don't be those guys who goes and puts it in the time code saying this is when it was.
वो तो सवाल डालेगा ना, of course.
सवाल.
कचरा ends, announcement begins. My life starts. पता नहीं क्या चलते रहता.
बोल अजीम कैसा है?
As you can see, मस्त है. मैं एकदम एक prop डाला है यहाँ पे, which you can see as my finger is pointing to, which is the only time I will get to show this prop off.
Oh
shit! My manager of the season trophy, and Neville only is fucked off.
No, I have not fucked off. I forgot to get my prop. So this is my prop.
Oh, shoes that you have never worn.
But signed by the legend, Mr. John Terry.
Oh, John Terry. Okay. If you had said Messi and all, I would have been like impressed. But not that.
No.
John Terry.
Hey, बस क्या? मेरे लिए तो John Terry.
Did he sign it in person or?
Yeah. I've got authenticating certificate and all of that.
No. But were you there while he was signing it?
नहीं रे, अगर मैं John Terry को मिलता तो मैं full fanboy moment ही घूमता रहता था.
हाँ, correct. Okay, cool. So before getting into the kachra football that we have to talk about,
let's talk about kachra.
Actual kachra. It's kachra time.
Yeah.
Cricket में क्या चल रहा है? Neville कुछ हो रहा है? Life में any future plans?
Insta lives हो रहा है सबका.
हाँ, Insta lives हो रहा है.
Everybody is doing Insta lives. So the way they're doing thing is all the Mumbai Indian players are talking to Mumbai Indians. All the Chennai Super King players are talking to Chennai Super Kings. एक amazing news का debate चल रहा है ये time पे as of this moment कि when will Mahendra Singh Dhoni retire? I'm like, bro,
you saw that picture of his that he looks like the homeless person. He looks like what he would have looked like if cricket hadn't worked out.
Also, मेरा ये sign out हो गया है FPL, so I have no FPL tips to give.
Sign out हो गया मतलब?
I don't know. The app has decided to sign me out of FPL. Saying गांड मरा है ही नहीं FPL is done. So no FPL tips, guys. How are we going to survive?
Yeah, it's okay. But I'm sure it'll come back once the league comes back. वो लोग भी क्या करेंगे?
But I'm extremely happy that some football was back. Like it was very weird to watch.
रुक ना, अभी कचरा बाकी है.
Oh shit.
हाँ, बहुत कचरा.
हाँ.
First नहीं. Before that cricket में यार, how can you ignore the big news that Virat and Anushka was spotted playing cricket on a terrace?
Oh, yes.
This is a huge news. Like this was, can you, and the news report or the news thing was, can you resist clicking on this viral video of Anushka and Virat playing cricket? And I resisted, so I haven't actually seen the video.
Also, I think the great news is that you have to be the Indian cricket team captain to be able to afford a terrace in Bombay.
Correct.
And be married to a Bollywood superstar to be able to actually afford a terrace in cricket. Oh, इतना तो chance ही नहीं हम लोग का.
Yes.
और क्या हो रहा है कचरे में?
हाँ. So Sebastian Vettel is going to be leaving Ferrari at the end of the season. That's a big. I was like, the season start ही नहीं हो रहा है तो अभी निकल ना. Why are you waiting till the end of the season?
He is Vettel, but that's why he has to wait.
And apparently the scene is that, well, not apparently, I think it's confirmed that Carlos Sainz will be taking his seat. They said, would you like to sign? And he was like, I will sign with you. And that's how that entire transaction happened. But
कुछ exciting हो रहा है?
No, so I'm just happy that Carlos Sainz came in there because if कहीं से भी they would have said Hamilton is coming to Ferrari, I would have had a big problem. because then I would have to not support Ferrari, which would be a
that's
huge
a
problem.
big problem.
Yeah,
Big
but there's going to be interesting to see who fills the McLaren seat now. So the rumor as to who will be replacing Carlos Sainz at McLaren is Daniel Ricciardo.
Oh, Daniel Ricciardo.
So it's the transfer domino effect that's happening. So Ricciardo most likely will go to McLaren, then one seat will be open at Renault. But I think finally for Ricciardo, because it was a very stupid decision for him to leave Red Bull and go to Renault. As people who have seen the F1 documentary Drive to Survive will know. And but yeah, now that if he goes to McLaren's a team on the up. They're going to by all accounts, have a pretty competitive car. And Lando Norris, brilliant young driver. So
are they just going to run this season's car next season, or are they going to, or is there going to be a season at all? Do you know that?
I don't know, but I have great news. मेरा Bahrain Grand Prix ticket का finally 3 महीने बाद refund मिल रहा है.
Very good.
Which I'm very happy about. I was like, yes.
But there are flight tickets?
Flight ticket नहीं मिल रहा है. Yeah, so F1 going to be interesting. We don't know what's going to happen to Vettel. So now the only open seat that Vettel has would be potentially at Renault. So will he stay in F1? Will he go to Renault? Will he go somewhere else? Who knows, man? Nobody knows.
Sebastian.
Yeah. Also, there's news which I'm very worried about, which is they're saying that a lot of F1 teams are not going to make it out, and Williams is one of those teams.
Not going to make it because tera team chala gaya.
Yes, because of financial losses, there's a high chance that Williams will not be able to survive. So one of the things that they've proposed, one of the suggestions, is that there should be a loaner car system where basically like top teams loan them their car from the previous year and say कि हम लोग का मस्त अच्छा गाड़ी चल रहा है, we'll give it to you, you pay us rights for it, and then you do your development on it, rather than developing your own car and engine. You take one stock car that we are giving you and work on that, which is.
But ये तो थोड़ा मतलब ऐसा फकौल है.
हाँ, काफी फकौल है, but अभी क्या करेगा? Because at this rate 4 ही टीम बचा रहेगा, ऐसे 8 people का रेस बहुत
yeah. और कुछ है क्या कचरे में? Because I've been looking और कुछ ऐसा exciting कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
कुछ actually like I wanted to talk about the sporting substitutes. I've been watching a lot of documentaries in this lockdown. And the two that really stood out, 3 that really stood out. One was Drive to Survive season 2 was excellent, which was right at the start of the lockdown. The Test is by far, I think, my favorite.
Test is very good.
Yeah, it's the best cricket documentary I've seen. I think one of the best sporting documentaries overall. And it's done so well that despite being an Indian cricket fan, when they were playing against India, I was like, Salah, no, fuck India, dude. Like, it's done so well that you are on the side of Australia despite being Indian. Looking at Kohli, like, Salah, Kohli.
तूने ये देख लिया क्या? Have you watched Death of a Gentleman?
I have not watched it.
Death of a Gentleman is very good. And then there's one about the West Indian cricket team. I think it's called Blackwash or something like that. No.
There's also a great documentary about Kevin Peterson, which is available on YouTube.
I've not. But another documentary I'm watching is I finished watching is the Leeds one. It's narrated by Russell Crowe.
Oh, I thought it had been narrated by S.A. So the Macha is Leeds, so they got relegated, and Macha, I don't know how Leeds. This is my bad impression of.
It's very good. Take Us Home, Leeds. Like genuinely. In fact,
on what platform is this?
It is on Amazon Prime.
I will watch this.
So and it's not like that. It's not like that whatever that City all for one for all, whatever that all or nothing, that one. Because that all or nothing, I watched the City one. I tried to watch the Brazilian team one, I couldn't. The All Blacks one was great. And then the Dallas Cowboys one I couldn't get through really. But Take Us Home it's genuinely heartbreaking. मतलब मैं Leeds के साथ खेल रहा है अभी as a upcoming footballer in FIFA 20.
Oh wow, nice.
उतना so
nice.
Legend.
Very nice. And also the one that I'm watching and that everyone's watching right now is the Chicago Bulls Michael Jordan one, the last one.
Fly with me or whatever.
The Last Dance.
The Last Dance. Sorry. Fly With Me is his autobiography.
And Space Jam is the Looney Tunes movies, just so that everyone knows all Michael Jordan content that is available to watch. But yeah, so it's quite interesting. You watch that entire thing of Michael Jordan, like, and it's weird. Like you watch it and you're like, he's not like such a like nice guy overall. I mean, he's a great basketball player and probably the greatest of all time. But like he's had what attitude tha. But I mean, that's what comes with the territory of success. Like from day one, he was like, I know I'm the best. I'm like, thoda be little humble. Like from the time he's in college, like I'm the best. I know I'm the best.
I think this is that psyche where you have to like tell yourself that you're the best. Like you have to like Srisanth before he used to bowl, he would be like it's kind of like that.
I genuinely want like a no holds barred Indian cricket team documentary, which they'll never let it happen because of the amount of shit that goes behind the scenes. And that's the thing, that shit that happens behind the scenes would be so interesting to watch. I genuinely want to see that. But just like seeing that entire video thing and just like, because once that contract is signed कि हम लोग कुछ भी होएगा, हम लोग को footage मिलेगा और हम लोग करने वाले, वो टाइप का डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखने वाला. Where even
वो तो चांस ही नहीं, BCCI अलाउ नहीं करे यार.
That's the thing. ना मेरे को देखने का that one amazing documentary जहाँ पे सब BCCI level का the shit that goes down and get to see, but it never happened.
अरे वो show है ना Inside Edge, same it is.
Yeah, that's the closest we're going to get to Indian cricket documentary.
Correct.
Okay, I think that's about it for Kachra.
Kachra is done.
And let's get into it for the first time ever on 442. The Bundesliga, guys. Let's talk about it.
Oh, we don't have a choice.
We don't have a choice. Yes.
तो मैं game देखा. बहुत वो I saw the Schalke game. Sorry, the Dortmund game. Sorry.
Which is a big derby, and you usually would have had. And I was getting so bugged by that fucking commentator dude, because वो क्या nostalgia में जी रहा है all throughout. Like I had this thing कि if you have a drink with you, which you don't during lockdown, you sit and have a shot every time he says strange times. Cannot remember the last time. Don't even like just those 3-4 catchphrases कितना हुए, like we get it, हम लोग सब लॉकडाउन में है, हम लोग को भी हुआ है, मतलब this is not a phenomenon that you alone are experiencing.
The German commentator was really irritating me though, because he was just going on about
his life.
No, about his life, but it was worse because galti se usne the other commentator was like, you get to hear so many languages on the pitch because we have Spanish players and we have this. And the German guy he's like, it's very it's not nice that none of them speak German when they are playing.
So lazy of them.
Yeah, they are so lazy to not learn the language. Abbe kutte 9 kilometer bhag raha hai har game mein. Kya lazy matlab kya? So he's like, but you look at all of them, they just don't want to speak in German. I mean, you are playing the German league. I was like, this is sounding very close to 1936, but so I was like,
but it was a lot of things were very interesting to see, like how football is being implemented now post lockdown.
Was it weird for you to sort of almost see it like an inter-school game?
Yeah, it was. Like there's zero stakes in this. And that is also the reason why I fell asleep while watching the game, because usually like it happens, you're watching a match, you fall asleep, you're falling asleep, and then kuch crowd chillata hai and you wake up. And now I'm like, I woke up and 3 goal chala gaya. Because even the commentators were not excited. Oh, he scored.
In fact, even the celebrations, everything seemed very toned down.
So celebrations also, you saw the celebration that Haaland did, where they did the social distancing celebration.
Yeah, and then they told him you can't do this celebration.
ये कैसा है?
But also think about it ना, उन लोग ने Zoom पे celebration practice किया है. Because इतना coordination कैसा करेगा वरना Zoom पे ही तो practice किया होगा. So yeah, that is what.
The weirdest thing I found was seeing the substitutes on the sideline sitting at 1 meter distance. They looked at, when you go watch a late night movie और वो सबका recliner होता है.
It was that, and also what was really weird is the assistant coaches and stuff like that had masks on. I'm like, ये लोग थूक रहा है pitch पे. ये लोग तेरे से 2 मीटर दूर नहीं है. ये लोग तेरे साथ आ रहे हैं.
No, and the coaches were given an option. You can wear a mask or not wear a mask if you want. The managers were given.
Everybody else was mandatory. Also, I've not understood one rule, Azim. Please help me.
Even I have not understood the same rule.
Are you talking about the substitution rule?
Yes.
What is this? So if you all can you tell us in the comment section, which we will not read. But
okay, so the thing is that I understand why 5 substitutions. This I get.
Why?
Because, Acha, you're saying why the 5 substitutions specifically? Because none of the players are match fit, and you will need to substitute a lot of them because they won't be fit enough to last the 90 minutes.
Oh, that's the only reason.
Yeah, so like basically this was like a pre-season game. Now, how in pre-season वो लोग other team को substitute कर देता है half time because they just don't have the fitness yet.
Because they've not practiced. But how do they not have the fitness? इतना time से वो लोग चिल्ला रहे, the fixtures are too tight, the fixtures are too tight, the fixtures are too tight.
हाँ, but
अभी मिला है उन लोगों को 2 महीने.
हाँ, 2 महीना holiday, but the thing is also कि वो लोग घर पे कर रहे हैं ना exercise.
You have to play.
It's like work from home. तू ऐसे चलो gym का काम कर रहा है, थोड़ा side में
बर्तन कर रहा है.
Yeah, बर्तन कर रहा है, दारू वारू पी रहा है. Nobody is there to check on you. It take time. But the rule that I didn't understand was why the substitutions have to be at designated times. They're like, please keep. You can only make substitutions at 3 designated times. So तू 5 बार में एक substitution नहीं कर सकता है. You have to. You are only given 3 opportunities to make a substitution wherever they may be. Which that rule I didn't understand.
And this is only in the second half.
Wherever. So I was like, this is a stupid rule. In fact, here you are putting more people clumped together on the sideline if you are doing 2 substitutions at a time. But आधा तो social distancing का rules with respect to sports समझ में नहीं आता. Like अगर सबका test हुआ है same दिन पे, तो फिर what is the problem with why are you all still being all like, oh, you must wear a mask? Test हुआ है ना सबका सुबह में. तो क्या है तेरा problem? They've all stayed in a hotel.
Also, you could only trust Germany to figure this out. There is no other country that could have been able to.
Oh, but there is.
There are two. There are two.
Yes, and the one, of course, is the most popular
league tournament.
The league, yes, the one of the most amazing leagues that started actually a week before on 7th May. It was the Faroe Islands Premier League.
Oh.
And who knew that Faroe Islands, who routinely gets beaten like 11-0 in World Cup qualifiers, would be the most important football tournament for 1 week.
You know that Faroe Islands is actually one of my dream destinations to go, right? Like I've always wanted to go because it's a great, gorgeous looking place. And there are more goats than people, more sheep than people in that place. But what is surprising to me is that they have enough number of people to play a league.
Oh, and watch it also.
Yeah, because you have to have fans, you have to have team, you have to have coaching staff, you have to have all of this, you have to have academy. So you have to have that many players, and then you're playing you're playing UEFA also. You qualify for.
But I don't think any Faroe Islands team has actually made it to any UEFA competition.
No, I'm assuming they made it to that UEFA, the other Europa League.
Possibly, but sure. I doubt because Faroe Islands such a low rank. It's like San Marino level, if I'm not wrong.
Possibly.
San Marino is the ultimate whipping boys. Woloka, I still remember one game where throughout the entire qualifying campaign, they were in a group with England and a bunch of other teams. So सब लोग 9-0, 12-0, 13-0 ठोक रहा है. तो एक मैच में वो लोग I think 7-1 हारा, पर वो एक गोल मारा. The guy celebrated, took his shirt off, went running because he was like, "Fuck, 5 साल में पहला आदमी गोल मारा है San Marino से."
This is like when Alan Donald took that one run in the South Africa World Cup situation. So there's that, but also Azim, you're missing out the most competitive league on the planet, the Belarus Premier League.
The Belarus, yes, the BPL.
The
real BPL.
The real BPL, the OG BPL. This one, by the way, they have not shut down at all. They have played through the lockdown because they've had very few cases. They've shut stadiums and they're all playing through the thing. Kya confidence hai, bro?
Yeah, sahi hai. But karna chahiye, dude. After a point, it's just like ki I've reached that point ki fuck it yaar, marne le thoda aur. मेरे को जाके मेरा लीग खेलने का अभी बहुत हो गया.
But in true fashion, did you watch the Bayern game? I saw highlights.
No, again, I was actually watching the documentary of the Last Dance documentary at that time. I forgot.
So Lewandowski was offside again. That is my only feedback from the game. He has again gone offside and tried to score.
He scored a penalty, no? If I'm not wrong.
But eventually he first scored a penalty, then he was offside when a goal was disallowed. That is my review of the whole game.
Yes, it's excellent.
because I
But it
can't
felt
watch
like
it. I
very
can't
like,
watch it. It's
yeah,
not fun to watch.
intensity, like, okay, maybe the intensity will pick up after a couple of weeks of them like getting match sharpness and fitness back and all of that.
I
But it's
also think
just,
the crowd plays such an important role in the
especially
intensity.
if you are not personally invested in the team, then you need the crowd.
No, I'm saying even for the players, I have a feeling that there is a certain
अभी
amount of
home and away
jingoism
को
that,
कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है.
yeah,
हाँ.
yeah, like I think that there is a certain amount of jingoism that requires it. अरे bro, ये Leipzig हार गया bro.
Yeah,
As soon as they came back, I think वो Red Bull नहीं मिल रहा था ना stock में. Nobody was delivering Red Bull because
yeah,
it was not an essential
thing.
commodity. So ये लोग पिया ही नहीं है Red Bull, so no wings. So they have lost.
Yes.
Coming
But,
to, should we move to our favorite league or what?
Yes, our favorite league, which is Serie A, obviously. वो Serie A, तो I doubt is coming back anytime.
Bro, ये रोनाल्डो ने तो आइलैंड खरीद लिया है, bro. ब्रा पहन के वर्कआउट कर रहे हो आजकल. तू वो बिकिनी देखा है क्या उसका?
Yeah, I've seen
नया
that.
फैंसी कुछ
Yeah, but
डाला
that's
है.
the workout thing. A lot of the players wear that while playing also.
No, not the ganji. This is the thing that sticks to his boob. You've not seen this?
Oh no, I haven't seen this.
Oh Azim.
Oh wow, okay. Yeah,
देखा तूने?
हाँ, ये थोड़ा अजीब चीज है. I think those must be those heart rate sensors. Or
no, so it says home workout with EMS training gear 6 pads. Stay fit, stay positive.
अच्छा, तो इसका ये पेड प्रमोशन है.
पेड प्रमोशन है. फुटबॉल मैनेजर में तू क्या कुछ जीता कुछ किया क्या?
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं यार. मैं कुछ नहीं खेला फुटबॉल मैनेजर. I have reached the point where I took Crew Alexandra to Premier League. And I am in mid-table currently, but I haven't played in like a month or so because मैं काफी FIFA खेल रहा आजकल.
हाँ, मैं वो दिख रहा है मेरे को अजीम तेरे FIFA skills में.
Yes.
मेरा थोड़ा पुंगी बज रहा है. Let's move on to EPL, where I just like to say one thing about my club, Chelsea.
Yes.
So Chelsea, obviously, I mean, most clubs are doing this. They're just putting up things on their Instagram handle. Most of it is throwbacks and great things, this, that, and the other. Chelsea has only been putting up things about old players.
Yeah, but even United are doing that only. हम लोग का नया क्या है celebrate करने लायक?
Bro, तू नहीं समझ रहा है. हम लोग का हर पोस्ट Eden Hazard, Michael Ballack, Frank Lampard, John Terry, Claude Makelele, यही है.
अरे y'all are at least putting videos in the 2000s. हम लोग का सब 90s का videos चल रहा है. Because that was the glory time. Everything is Beckham, Cantona, Sheringham, Solskjaer. We haven't found only any footage. सब delete हो गया hard. I think वो hard disk नहीं मिल रहा है वो लोग.
हाँ, floppy में था तो वो नहीं मिल रहा है. उसको COVID हो गया.
But also on social media, Arsenal did this weird thing, which actually I don't know if it's true, but I've seen a post about it, where to celebrate the anniversary of their invincible season. The guy who's handling their Twitter removed all L's from the Arsenal name and the Twitter bio. So it was just Arsenal because they didn't have any losses in that season. So sara L nikal diya for no reason. It's like
he thought this was a great idea.
It's like the home.
He should have just changed the A to E also and made it Arsen.
Yeah, and I think even the team sheet they would have changed. They just had Mesut Ozil now.
Ozil. Dude, Ozil, he said that I'm not going to reduce my pay, dude.
Yeah, he said that.
What a guy, dude. एक तो उसको
अरे उसके पास country नहीं है. I think that's why.
Country नहीं है. उसको कोई खिलाने नहीं चाहता. उसको हमेशा बेंच पे रहने का. मतलब इसका प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
I think you have just listed all his problems.
Yeah, but I'm saying do something that you will be liked by, na. Just say, okay, no, I will donate. Ronaldo is giving away his salary.
But उसका specialization is to not be liked na these days. So that's what he does. Like I will do things consciously that make sure people don't.
मैं through ball नहीं देगा, लेकिन I will do this.
Yes.
Oh, amazing. एक और कुछ interesting news इससे आया था Premier League पे. मैं आज ही कुछ पढ़ा कि Pochettino has said that I will only move to Newcastle if I get all rights on transfers. ये कैसा रूल है? मतलब he's really living out.
अरे कौन सा शेख उसको देगा यार rights? It's ridiculous.
Also, but I think it's the reverse of Tottenham, no? Of Tottenham, ना, जिन्होंने उसको एक player भी खरीदने को नहीं मिला था.
नहीं, एक मिला था ना, Ndombele.
Oh, Ndombele.
अरे वो documentary I'm waiting for, dude. The Spurs documentary will be mind blowing when it comes out.
आ रहा है क्या? बना रहा है कोई?
Yeah, बना रहे ना. Mourinho has referenced it also in his press conferences.
Oh,
He,
in the Mourinho season?
yeah, the Mourinho season का
Oh,
the
nice.
sacking of
It'll be great.
Pochettino and Mourinho coming in and all of that, वो सारा सब कुछ capture होने वाला है.
Oh,
And he said
nice.
also, like they asked him, so what did you say to the team in the team talk? And he was like, you'll find out on Netflix.
Oh, you should really watch Take Us Home. It's really good. You'll like it. What? Any other news from the Premier
obviously
League?
the big news is that it's old news now, but Newcastle is being taken over. I still don't know if it's a confirmed takeover or not.
It's not a confirmed takeover yet.
So it's one of those, like how United ka hua tha, Saudi Telecom is taking over Manchester United. I think it's one of those.
यूनाइटेड का तो हर साल एक कोई ना कोई शेख आके खरीदने का सोचता है.
हाँ, but Newcastle will be very interesting, if they come and get taken over.
पॉग्बा जा रहा है क्या?
पॉग्बा नहीं जा रहा है अभी. Nobody can afford him only. That's the problem, na? That United wanted a certain amount for him, they're not going to get that. So Abhi, that's why Solskjaer has been talking up. Yeah, Pogba and Fred and all of that will be amazing combination, and with Bruno Fernandes, and you watch out and all of that. So, the good news is that at least for United, is हमारा सारा injured player अभी fit है life में.
हाँ, मार्को वैन हिंकल मेरे को लग रहा है कोविड में भी
वो भी फिट हो गया रहेगा, but
उसको कुछ और इंजरी हो जाए.
उसको वायरस ही हो गया.
तेरा दरवाजा ये शो के बीच में खुल गया है, and I'm very scared कि कोई भूत है.
नहीं, मेरा बिल्ली आ गया.
Okay, हाँ.
Would you like to see 442 का mascot बिल्ली? Hi.
What's up? तो अभी मेरे को एक तो हम लोग ने एक चीज बात नहीं किया है कि हम लोग ने लॉलर पूल पे ज्यादा हंसा नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोग का एक्चुअल थियरी सच हो रहा है कि कोविड हैज कम ओनली सो दैट लिवरपूल डज नॉट विन द लीग. Premier League is insisting that they will start June 1st.
But there's lots of stuff saying that players are not on board with this entire starting of league wala scene, where lots of players have said कि we are not sure yet. And several clubs, I think Mourinho तो came out and said we need 7 weeks preseason. Fuck off. And सीधा आके बोल दिया. It's just the most Mourinho thing to say. You give me a preseason to end the season is what he's asking for. And also, what's that guy, Southampton guy, Hasenhüttl? He has also said that he wants like a proper time to be given to them to prepare.
And I think that the problem is Premier League is really worried because they're going to lose a fuck ton of money if the league is cancelled. Like a lot of money. Also, relegation battle, not of this season, but what happens to the relegation battle of the promotion battle of the championship, right? Like who comes up, who goes down, because that club's also going to lose a fuck.
And also a lot of clubs may, like League 1 and below, may just go bankrupt because anyway would be very like hand to mouth type situation.
Yeah.
So basically after championship it will just be Salford City and nothing else.
I was about to say.
It will be division of one team.
Sterling गया क्या?
Sterling कौन सा? Raheem Sterling.
हाँ, जा रहा है.
किधर जाएगा?
रूमर था ना कुछ तो बार्सिलोना कुछ तो जा रहा है.
नहीं अभी तक तो कोई नहीं जा रहा है. So far
Tony Cruz has said that I am not going to come to the Premier League.
हाँ, good चाहिए अभी नहीं.
He said that I will not do it even though Pep Guardiola is going to reunion with me. Not interested.
I think City mainly they need to buy defenders. I think that's the big thing that they need because कुछ है ही नहीं. Actually by now maybe Laporte might be fit again, so you never know.
And Vincent Kompany is reversed in age, so he'll be back.
Correct. He's the Dhoni of football.
Yeah.
What else is happening? Liverpool ka, so that's the thing. I am still hopeful that the season will be cancelled. I just think there's no way that they will not give Liverpool the title. But even if they give them the title and it's cancelled, it still technically doesn't count.
But the thing is, they can't do it. No, they can't give Liverpool the title because they've not won it under any circumstances.
Yeah.
So as a result, that they have to sort of.
No, but even other leagues they gave, like for instance, I think some Belgian league.
PSG. No, PSG gave no.
PSG को तो मतलब देना ही पड़ता है. That's a formality. बाकी सब teams को participation certificate मिलता है before the season starts. But what's this? Club Brugge in Belgium were named champions despite the season being finished. So I don't know, might happen. But whatever happens, if the season is not finished, it's cool because कुछ भी Liverpool fan बाद में बोलेगा, will be like कि season खत्म नहीं हुआ, तुम लोग कैसा बोल रहे हो? तो
So
time ने दे दिया तुम लोग को time.
So there is this guy called Miguel Delaney who has stated that it is almost impossible to contract coronavirus while playing football after a new study in the sport.
Of course, in the sport wala study bolega na. It's like how the smoking lobby had said that, you know, cigarettes smokers
this is
might
like
actually be...
men say na, sperm helps you improve your skin when you swallow it.
On laptop. Haan, bolo.
When men say no, that you swallow sperm, it will improve your skin. In a study done by men.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, will be interesting to see whatever happens. I mean, it will just be nice to be able to watch Premier League football again in whatever form.
Yeah, at but I still think
it players पता है, teams पता है, at least for us, for people जो Bundesliga fan है वो लोग क्या खुश रहेगा यार.
Yeah, बहुत. Actually मेरे पास एक Bundesliga fan है. एक Bundesliga fan है मेरे पास दोस्त जो खुश है but बहुत upset है कि ये चल रहा है. Like it's being played like an inter-school tournament.
Yeah. It actually full ऐसे MDFA vibes हो coming.
Yeah. Okay, and Sunil Chhetri.
See, I'd have no control over this anymore. This is. Hello, podcast चल रहा है. Do you understand? Packaging इधर आएगा, cat नहीं इधर आएगा. Do you understand this?
I'm assuming we are keeping this now.
Yes, of course.
So.
I just have a tail over here now. This is why we do podcasts outside. Yeah. This वो boom mic आता है ना, boom mic.
Correct. But this is also great news because like in case the season doesn't start, we have some news which will help the season start.
Yes, correct. But it's going to be damn weird. Yeah? Even if the season finishes, how do they start the new season? It will just be straight. This season khatam. Abhi next week's a new season starts.
So some rumors were saying that the season will start later in like August or September. But in that scenario,
dude, what if this is all one big conspiracy theory by a Qatar World Cup to shift the league football cycle so that the World Cup happens without a winter break? This is my conspiracy theory, guys. ये Qatar ने virus बनाया है. किसी ने देखा है Qatar में कितना cases है कोरोना वायरस का? Please देखो. This is my conspiracy theory.
Correct. ठीक है.
So yeah, that could happen. So FPL tips for this week, I think कि Aguero को निकाल दो. I think सारे strikers yeah. अभी Zuma को ले लो.
खरीद लो.
Van Ginkel ले लो. This is the week to fuck around.
Yeah.
Wild card खेल के कुछ भी डालो.
Correct, no problem. You'll be perfectly fine.
Working. Okay, so now it's announcement.
Time for the big announcement.
The big announcement, whatever it is. Okay, guys, this weekend it's happening. We've been working on this for a couple of weeks. It's finally happening. It's the 442 Comics Championship, guys. Woo! Yes. What is the 442 Comics Championship? It's 16 comics who will be taking part in a FIFA tournament, cup knockout, online live stream on the EIC channel. We've got a lot of big names. Who do we have? We have me, Neville. But we've got a lot of people who are a mixture of pro comics and noob comics. I mean, at FIFA, not like comic-wise, but also comic-wise.
Comic-wise, yeah.
But we've got Sapan Sahil, we got Varun Thakur, we got Abhishek Upmanyu, we got Karunesh Salwa, Siddharth Dudeja, Ashish Shakyar, Rohan Joshi, S.A. Arvind, Ruben Kaduskar, Shad Shafi, I think of Tushar Ravichandani, Aditya Desai. So we've got an amazing mix of people. We're going to be having guest comics doing commentary on the live stream. This is going to be happening on the EIC channel on Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday, which is 23rd, 24th, and 26th. It's going to be big live stream event.
Just so you know that Azim is giving up his Eid for this.
Yes, I'm giving up my Eid for this. Or it depends on, honestly, that all depends on the mood.
On the mood. And this year, Salman can't tell you what time is Eid. So.
Correct. So that's going to be happening. Also, just so that you guys, you specifically, that guy, don't feel left out. We are also organizing a community FIFA league with a cash prize. So we're going to be opening that up as well. Hopefully the link for that should be live by now, or it will be live very soon. The link will be in the description of the video. You can take part and enroll in the competition for a small fee, I think $300. And if you win the league, you get a cash prize of a minimum of $5,000 for taking part. I mean, not taking part, for winning. And if you don't get to enter,
This is the worst business model. Buy a ticket for 3,000 and 300 and we will give you 5,000.
This is like
this is
Paytm's, Paytm's entire marketing strategy. But no, you get to sign up and you win a prize. We're also trying to hook up some video game giveaways and stuff as well. We'll get you some bonus content. And you will get to be on the final day of the 442 Cup and play the winner of the Comics Championship to be the ultimate champion. No, it's not going to be me. I have a feeling it's going to be SAR.
Really? What? Leeds United के साथ कितना आगे जाएगा bre?
नहीं, but उसका वो पूरा fans लेके आएगा ना उसका. So all the chat will be exploding with
but fans. We're not giving points of number of people on the chat. You have to actually score a goal.
That's also there. But I just feel he's going to have a lot of support. But it's going to be a lot of fun. We're really looking forward to it. We're going to have guest comics coming as commentators as well. And it's obviously the live stream is completely free to watch. You can donate whatever you want into the chat if you want to help us cover some of our costs. We are already 2 lakhs in debt doing 442 from the beginning. तुम लोग को पैसा देने का है तो दे दो.
It's not mandatory. You can come, watch the stream, have fun.
Just watch the stream, have fun. That's going to be a good weekend plan.
And you can participate in your own league and the winner.
All you need is a PS4, a PlayStation online account, and FIFA 20. That's all you need to take part.
And a controller.
Yeah, that's obvious. Like I don't think you can do as a movement VR.
V wala football.
Yes. So we'll be posting all the descriptions and the links and the details in the description below. So please check it out. And take part. There's going to be limited number of people who can take part in the tournament. I think we've capped it at 64. So please sign up very quickly. Tell your friends about it because we need to complete that tournament by next Tuesday so that you can be on the live stream. Otherwise, if you're late, then too bad.
Yeah. Cool. So walkovers will also happen.
Yes, walkovers.
You might just win by walkovers.
Yeah, who knows? Like if 63 other people are suddenly busy.
Yeah. सबको work from home call आ गया कि हम लोग को अभी कौन call करने हैं.
Yeah. No, but the good thing is that you'll be able to play at your own convenience. There's no set time for the matches. You just have to you'll know the details.
We figured it out. Azim has done all the hard work.
Yes.
Because every time he says that okay हम लोग ये सोचते हैं, before I have sochod, I get a WhatsApp with the entire thing sochod. So Azim has genuinely done everything. He has gone and gotten a capture card and God knows what all he's done.
हम लोग क्या भारी जुगाड़ करके ये कर रहे हैं ना. It'll be amazing.
This is true, but
ठीक है, cool. So we look forward to seeing all of you or some of you or none of you because हम लोग तो fun के लिए कर रहे हैं on Saturday and Sunday and then Tuesday for the finals.
This podcast better be the most fucking watched podcast because we've dropped it after so long in the middle of a non-football calendar.
Yeah.
Okay,
so let's see. Hopefully it'll happen. And yes, looking forward, very excited. And it is time. Venkatesh Prasad rocks. And thank you for watching. 4, 2, 3.
Bye guys.
1. Bye.